Lilia Velarmon.
Crisilent Tolentino from SGTT, silver medalist. Gold medalist Mackenzie Romero from GFCC.
Akisha Diaz ng GFC. Please wear blue armor and please proceed to court A.
Junior women, bronze medalist.
Again, this is fighting for gold. Akisha Diaz ng GFC.
Joanna Marie Tiston from Brinam Taekwondo Team. And Guerra May Verona from Brinam Taekwondo Team, bronze medalist. Counterward. Again, last fall, bronze medalist Joanna Marie Tiston, bring up, and Guerra May Guerrero, bring up Taekwondo Team. Silver medalist Mary Ashley Abisela from SGTT. Gold medalist Sebi Bacanaya from Bring Up Taekwondo Team.
Akisha Diaz ng GFC.
Junior women, bronze medalist Angel Rodriguez from GFC. Bronze
BBMC. Kailangan ng coach ng BBMC. Kailangan po ng coach ng BBMC sa court A. Pabilisan po. Coach ng BBMC.
silver medalist Janet Pay Lodicho from Bring Up Taekwondo Team. Silver medalist Janet Pay Lodicho from Bring Up Taekwondo Team. And gold medalist Jolet Bigit Kapangalan from GFC. Jolet Kapangalan, gold medalist. Next, junior women, silver medalist Amaris Siguritan from SGPT. Gold medalist Gigi Arcos from Joy Taekwondo Team.
Hello. Shady Pampanga and Snow sa Pampanga.
Bronze medalist Michael Herrera. Silver medalist Piu Garcia from BBMPC. Gold medalist Sinalini Nara. Gold medalist from Brunei Economy.
Shady po dito, pabilisan po. Shady po ng Pampanga.
JC from Amihala, Justin Sunod.
Marco Robles from SGDT Red Armor.
Si Bron, sino panalo? Ay, wala pa ba?